Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Momspresso.
Body odor is a common problem which a lot of teenagers are facing nowadays. There's no other way to prevent body odor amongst teenagers except by maintaining of a really good hygiene. Teenagers in this age are really vulnerable to getting teased at school as well because of the same, and you being a parent should be able to help them out in the best possible way. In my opinion, a regular bath is really important to maintain this hygiene, especially a thorough scrub under the arms. Kids of this age may not really want their parents to give them a bath. However, they would still require some kind of an encouragement from you to do a thorough job by themselves. So according to me, a quick tip for you would be to introduce your child to maybe a body scrubber or a loofah to go along with the body soap or the body wash. However, in an active child or who tends to perspire a little bit more, just bathing would not be sufficient. In such cases, you could use an antiseptic liquid and add it onto their bath to prevent bacteria or germs. Additionally, I would also recommend either using a deodorant or an antiperspirant. Now, deodorant is something which covers up the sweat smell. On the other hand, antiperspirant would also reduce or stop the secretion of the sweat itself. So for sweaty kids, a clean underwear and t-shirt every day is really important. You should prefer to use cotton or natural fibers as compared to synthetic ones, since these natural fibers tend to absorb sweat a bit more. Kids who have trouble with smelly feet should be using cotton socks. They should be changing these socks every day since it absorbs moisture. They should also avoid wearing shoes without socks. Another important tip from my side would be to use an antiperspirant or a deodorant for a kid who has smelly feet, but this should be applied on a dry feet before he wears his shoes and socks. Another problem which kids face is that when they sweat, the sweat tends to accumulate in the clothes as well as the socks and the shoes. Now this provides an environment for the bacteria to grow in and thereby causing the foul smell. It's really important that every time an adolescent takes off his or her clothes, you need to wash them, especially in an antiseptic liquid, so that you are able to kill these bacteria. Teenagers who face a problem of smelly feet should be alternating their shoes, and also before they wear them again, they should be letting them dry. Finally, I would also like to tell you that if your teenager and you yourself are not able to control the body odor, there are a lot of prescription remedies which are available to address the issue. Young teenagers should not be facing this problem of a potential embarrassment or avoidance by others which arises from this increased body odor. You need to understand that increased body odor, though it's a normal part of early adolescence, being able to manage it is also an important part of growing up.